If you want the best hummus ever, make it yourself. Of course, there's a time and a place to buy hummus. I mean, we do it all the time because it just makes for an easy snack. My goal is to get it as creamy as the true, authentic homemade versions. All you need, a can of chickpeas and a few other ingredients. Let's get cooking. I think there are 2 tricks to getting smooth hummus, and the first comes from removing any remaining skins off of your chickpeas. So you start by draining your can of chickpeas, and the secret ingredient, baking soda. Cover the chickpeas with water and add in about a teaspoon of baking soda. Bring it to a boil and let it cook for about 10 minutes. As these boil, you'll see the skins start to float to the top. Just remove them with a slotted spoon, drain the rest, and then it's time to make hummus. And don't fear, you don't have to get every single skin. I did reserve a little bit of the canned liquid from when we drained our chickpeas. That can be used just to add to the creaminess or adjust the texture as needed. In goes the garlic, our chickpeas, lots of lemon juice. I love my hummus really lemony. And then a couple heaping tablespoons of our tahini, a little salt. All right, here we go. Still got a little ways to go. This right now looks like the store-bought version. To get it super creamy, now's the time to adjust the texture as you see fit. That's when the aquafaba, or the liquid from the canned beans, comes in handy. And if you don't want to use this, you can just add a little water, more lemon juice, or olive oil. That is smooth and creamy hummus. Let me show you how it compares to the others. Just look at the difference. You can serve it just as is. Sometimes people like to garnish it, finish it off with a little bit of olive oil, pepper, a little paprika, and because I like it extra lemony, some lemon zest. It's like a work of art that started from a can for less than $2. If you want the best hummus ever, take the 10 minutes and make it yourself. There's nothing more to say, really.